On the tap, engineering has gone into that. How did the water get to you? Where do we get it from? Designing the right pipes. Where do you want to travel? What will be traveling on it?
There are many other women in the world that are just like you and are taking break the ceiling to increase the participation of women and girls in STEM-related fields.
A very good morning to you all. It's a great pleasure to be here today, to be with you girls with superpowers, to be part of this very important occasion, the occasion of your graduation. Graduating from the Graduate Women Fiji STEM Summer Camp for Girls 2019. At the launch of the camp a week back, we heard from experts in the area of STEM education about the opportunities and challenges pertaining to women and girls' involvement in STEM education and STEM careers. At the outset, I wish to thank Fiji Women's Fund for funding the STEM Summer Camp for Girls and Graduate Women Fiji for making this milestone event possible through their commitment to change the game for women and girls in STEM fields through their networking and innovative programs. Women have made significant contributions to science, technology, and innovation from the earliest times, but despite this, we lag far behind men as a share of the workforce in most STEM professions, even as demand for those skills increases in order to help Fiji remain globally competitive. I wish to also thank Nanogirl Labs, the University of the South Pacific, and Fiji National University, and the Ministry of Education for their support towards this important program. It was quite interesting to hear the Deputy Secretary for Education say that we have more women teachers in Fiji than men. That's great. But I'd really love to know how many of those women teachers are science teachers. The numbers would be different. And I guess that's why we're here today, to encourage these young girls to step into this field. We need more women in this field. We know that some women abandon STEM careers because of gender discrimination in this male-dominated sector. In other cases, girls or young women face obstacles in their schooling that discourage them from pursuing STEM careers. Those obstacles, experts say, include cultural biases that teach girls they are less skilled than boys in math and science, despite research findings to the contrary. I went to school in this country, and when I was in high school, I didn't know that I had the choice to take up technical drawing. Girls just were told to do home ec, and boys did the technical stuff. And that culture needs to change. To change that, we have initiatives like this, but the drive begins at home, I must say. In this room, we have the critical stakeholders in a girl's life. What these girls before us pursue in their careers, whether they pursue a career in the STEM field or not, will rest a lot on what we stakeholders in this room do to support them. We've got parents, we've got caregivers, we've got teachers, we've got experts, and what we do around the lives of these young girls will determine the career that they end up in. The aim of this workshop is to encourage them to pursue their education in STEM because of the big gap we have in the STEM fields where women lag behind in a big proportion, in big percentages to men. We need to cover that gap because we all know as women, we have a different perspective to everything. They say that we are more analytical than men, and I agree. We bring different things to every topic that we talk about, and those perspectives will not be heard. Our countries will not benefit from those perspectives if our girls don't take part in those particular fields. Graduate Women Fiji's STEM Summer Camp for Girls is a very welcome move, and it is very timely indeed. It is not a new concept, and it is estimated that between 2013 and 2017, up to 3,000 girls around the world would have attended a STEM summer camp. And each year, the numbers are growing, taking us one step at a time towards achieving gender parity. Fiji as a nation has progressed a lot over the past decade, and evidently, the Fijian government has strongly committed itself towards women's equal participation in nation building through law reforms, policies, partnerships, and programs. We as a government know that without women, we are only moving with half of our human potential to grow as an economy. Therefore, it is my ministry's pledge that we will support the work of the civil society and government alike in advocating for a better, more equitable space for women and girls in STEM, because every aspect of women's equal rights, women's economic empowerment, and women's holistic development is crucial to our progress as a people. STEM fields have some of the fastest growing industries across the globe, and the STEM jobs spread far and wide across the job market. With only 26% of women holding STEM jobs, the time to motivate young girls like yourselves, the ones before us today, is now. Girls, I know you've had a very exciting week, and I can't wait to see some of the things that you've created, the experiments that you've done over the past week. I know it's a summer camp, and it's only for a week. But I really hope, as a mother and as a minister for children, that you will take this up this 1 week, that it will transform your lives, the way you think about science, and how exciting it can be, and that you will grow those superpowers and take up those STEM subjects when you get up to high school. Don't give up after this 1 week, okay? Promise? Thank you. The onus on you. There's already a responsibility for you now, because you've become little girls with superpowers in a week. You have the responsibility now to go back to your communities, homes and schools, and talk to your friends about STEM and how exciting it can be. Get them interested in STEM subjects as well. Because with STEM, you can have superpowers. I don't have superpowers because I'm not one of those special STEM girls. I'm just an arts girl. I'm told that there are 30 girls who participated in this inaugural camp and 5 local female trainers, women teaching in STEM fields, administered the camp with the Nano Girl Labs team. I can see more. Is that only 5? Okay. The more girls we talk to about STEM, the larger the interest in the field will become. So don't lose the momentum and continue sharing what you have gained from the summer camp. To the instructors, thank you very much for being part of this worthwhile initiative, not only for these little girls, but for the little girls in Fiji, which I am sure you will reach out to after this 1 week. Graduates of the STEM Summer Camp 2019, girls with superpowers, I challenge you to show anyone who feels or says that science, technology, engineering, and math is not the field for women and girls, that it is just the right field for you, and you not only enter the field, but leave a blazing trail behind you as you go. With these words, I wish each one of you the very best and a fun-filled day with STEM. Vuniwaqa.